Invoke AI is AI-powered image creation tool. It is the ideal alternative from Midjourney and Adobe Firefly. To begin with, click the Continue to Subscribe button. After subscribing, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Accept Terms to proceed. Please wait for a few minutes while the processing takes place. Once it's completed, click on Continue to Configuration. Select the CloudFormation template for Invoke AI deployment as the fulfillment option and choose your preferred region on the Configure This Software page. Afterward, click the Continue to Launch button. From the Choose Action drop-down menu in Launch This Software page, select Launch CloudFormation and click Launch button. Now we can create CloudFormation stack. Ensure the template is ready. Radio button is selected under Prepare Template. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Provide the admin email for SSL generation. For deployment name, enter a name of your choice. Provide a public domain name for domain name. Invoke AI will automatically try to set up SSL based on provided domain name. If that domain is hosted on Route 53, please make sure your domain name is hosted on Route 53. Choose an instance type. Recommended is G for DN.X large. Select your preferred key name. Set SSH location as 0.0.0.0/0. Keep subnet CIDR block as 10.0.0.0/24. Keep VPC CIDR block as 10.0.0.0/16. Click Next. Now we can configure stack options under Stack Failure Options. Select Rollback all stack resources. Click Next. Review and verify the details you've entered. Tick the box that says, I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names. Click Submit. Afterward, you'll be directed to the CloudFormation Stacks page. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. Fast forwarding 5 to 10 minutes. After CloudFormation is created, we can update DNS. Copy the public IP labeled Public IP in the Outputs tab. Go to AWS Route 53 and navigate to Hosted Zones. From there, click on Create Record and enter the domain name. Paste the copied public IP address into the value text box and click Create Record. Now you can access the Invoke AI application through the dashboard URL provided in the Outputs tab. Let's see how to generate SSL manually. Copy the public IP address indicated as public IP in the Outputs tab. Open the terminal and go to the directory where your private key is located. Paste the following command into your terminal and press Enter. SSH-I, your key name, Ubuntu at public IP address. Type yes and press Enter. This will log you into the server. Paste the following command into your terminal and press Enter and follow the instructions. sudo-root-certificate generate standalone.sh. Admin email is needed to generate SSL certificates. In our example, SSL certificate is already installed. Now you can access the Invoke AI dashboard. Enjoy Invoke AI.